guys, come with me, unboxing this. So, very excited. Because I like walking, so I just ordered this one. It's a very nice quality of Gracious Healthy. Ito yung pinakasikat yung sinuot ni Shuvi. Shuvi Trata sa PBB. Nasusubo siya guys. Iwan ko kung kasya sa akin. Tingnan mo guys. Parang ganda. Ganda. Tingnan niya dito. Kasi dito sa may tummy. Kita na naman. Napakatibay. Kasi mag-fresh talaga yung tummy mo. 66 niya to guys. Bili na kayo. Chika na Yellow Basket. So, habang mura pa. So, I bought two. So, you fit in this one when you get home. Ganda talaga guys. Kita nyo yung pari Shuvi. Bili na. Check on my Yellow Basket.